Hi guys, today we will be discussing about household electricity. So this is like the only reason why we can charge our phones, so let's not hate it or underestimate it. Okay, that rhymed. Okay, so before we dive in, let me introduce myself because socializing. Anyways, so I'm Arushi, a 10th grader whose boards are unfortunately not being cancelled. Moving on, we are going to understand why household connections are parallel and not in series. But before we come to that, let me show you what series and parallel connections look like. Now we're going to build our very own series circuit. So now what we're going to do is going to be switching it on. So this is basically how the series circuit works. I'm going to be showing you a parallel circuit. Switching it on, and there you go, you have your very own parallel circuit. Our main question: why are household connections parallel? Well, there are three reasons. Number one, the voltage in parallel remain constant and each bulb works at an optimum power. Here we have the parallel connection, and you can see these are the bulbs which are on here, and we have a constant velocity, and here is the current I. So yeah, that just represents that there's a constant voltage. The reason why parallel circuits are used for household electricity is that the loads can be operated independently, which makes our task 10 times easier. So a parallel circuit allows the part of it to work even if 1 to 2 light bulbs fuse. Like even if, for example, if a room has like 5 lights and one of them just fuses, then the rest will just continue to work. And this does not happen in series. Even if one bulb in series fuses, then all of them would fuse. The last and final reason is because the resistance is less. Here in series, you can see that there are like 3 bulbs, and the resistances are R1, R2, and R3 respectively. So now the formula here is that the series resistance, like the total resistance, is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So that automatically, if for example the resistance is 5, 6 and 7, so we're going to add all of that. Now if we look at parallel, and let's assume we have the same values, 6, 5, 6 and 5. This has less resistance. So lesser the resistance, better, because if there's more resistance, what happens is that it starts to get heat. It just starts heating up. And when it heats up, it's obviously a red flag. So we don't want our connections to heat up because that can cause short circuits or a lot of bad stuff. We don't want that. So that is why parallel wins here. We all need time to understand this immaculate subject and this immaculate topic. Anyways, so you're good to go now, and thank you so much for taking out your time and watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Okay, bye.